people likes to deceive. Even if it's already New Year, they will sell it and tell everybody that it's a beef, but it is not. I don't know. For some countries, they made this one like a wagyu beef, right? It's a color black like that, but I don't know how they made it. Yes, it's grown already. So cute, right? Mo. We keep on eating the grass, and it's nice for this area here. I don't know the owner is from where. Oh, there's a lot of birds here. Very nice, really. And my ground also here already has leaves, so maybe I will start planting after the new year, planting of lemongrass, tomatoes, alugbati. I'm sorry, no sound. Oh, I didn't notice that I off the sound. Ano ba yan? So I have to unbox it now. What's in this box? Charot. Again, mahilig tayo